Hey guys, it's been a minute. I know I've not vlogged for a while, I've not posted anything for a while. Sorry, I'm so sorry. I've just not been, you guys, I'm pregnant, so like I have to be giving an excuse. Sometimes I don't feel like doing anything. Sometimes my camera annoys the hell out of me, sometimes my phone annoys the hell out of me, you know. But today I woke up feeling okay. Meanwhile, I'm going to show you guys something. It's off key, but it's very important. So I watched something on Facebook about how to make your cutting, like if you have cuttings that are like this, about how to make it equal. Furo is calling me. Moving forward, so whenever I watch something on YouTube, on Facebook, where if your cutting is this kind of cutting that I have, you can actually use tissue things to make it proportion, right? Because it really annoys the hell out of me to keep it in proportion. That's what hubby just said. It really annoys the hell out of me when my stuff is like that, like it's not proportion. So see what my boo is doing. We're trying to make sure when we close our cutting, the measurement is the same. It actually irritates me when it looks like this, guys. I don't like it. Can you guys see? So we found that I watched it on I think on Facebook, that you can use your old tissue stuff to do this, and that's what we're doing, and I think it's better. Let's fix it and see. Let me get this screw that fell. Sorry. It's too small.
Is it?
Yeah. You not do the thing you're supposed to do. You should have done. That's what I was measuring it, 3 inches. You guys know everything that's been happening in Nigeria. I've not just been in the mood, like I've been so emotionally drained and attached to it. I've been crying, shouting, screaming, and we all know it's not even good for my condition, but I couldn't just help it. And the more I see, the more I go on social media to see these things, the more I want to see, the more it just breaks my heart. We're all very disappointed, you know. So today I'm actually on my way for my last antenatal. Guys, guess what? I'm going to be having my baby next week, and I'm on my way for my last antenatal. We're supposed to go for a scan. That the last scan, I think, that we used to check. Well, I was supposed to do that in last week, but they actually charged me 6K, guys, in a government hospital with their dirty sheets and their broadcast scanning place, where it's just really irritating and annoying, and they were charging me 6K. While when I go to a place like Echo Scan, they will charge me like 5K, and I will be well attended to and well explained to. So I was like, no, I'm not doing it there. I said, let me do it in Echo Scan, and that's how it has stayed till today, that it's supposed to be the antenatal day. So that's what I'm going to be doing this morning. But I'm super excited and I'm nervous because everything's going to end next week. This baby is going to come out next week, you know. My baby girl is going to come out next week, and I'm super excited, and I'm going out with the boo. Yeah, I'm so excited. How you guys doing? How you guys reacting to what is happening? Like, so I'm going to take you guys along. I don't know if I'm going to take you guys along the Echo Scan. This is the guy I was talking about. This guy. But sure, he will do box. So, okay. So we're just packing. You can ask him just to be sure. Let's not just carry it and cause
I'll bring it tomorrow.
Okay.
I'll carry smoker.
Okay. Abi. Abi, oh. You guys just hear what hubby said. We were supposed to, wanted to ask this guy around my area that fixes shoes. So we're like, let us ask him if he fixes boxes. But hubby now said he's going to come with a smaller car, because guys, I don't know if they do it everywhere in Nigeria, but they do in Abuja. They charge you according to your car. Like if they see with a big car, they just assume somehow you're loaded. So, you know. So, yeah. if you're going out today like me or anytime, please just be observant, because you guys know how Abuja is during this period. People are just behaving anyhow. Thugs are everywhere. Hoodlums and thugs are everywhere. It's really even scary. We're supposed to go for that thing yesterday, but we're so worried that things will just be bad in town. So I wanted to show you guys something. If you guys can remember one of my videos where I posted about us going to show the kids what their dad does, I wanted to show you guys like an update, because I'm here. This is what the house looks like now. It's going up. This wig I've suffered in my hand. Like, I've worn this. I don't wear crazy more for this big body. Hey, let me wear my glasses. So I just got back home. See what I came back to. I actually bought this toaster slash canisters for milk, sugar and tea. I bought it from Kitchen Thrift Store. The first one I bought actually was dented, so I returned it, and it was so easy. She didn't stress me. She just told me. I sent her the picture. She returned my cash and said she took it back. She sent her rider to take it back, so which is really cool. Let me open this one and show you guys what I got. Good morning. So I'm actually with Boo. I know I've not vlogged for a while. We're preparing for baby. Like, baby's coming 2 days from today, by God's grace. So we're actually going out to the bank. Well, my hospital, every time their POS is not always working, so we just want to go and collect the money for my remaining hospital bill, and we'll pay. And then we're also going to, we're at where my box, the handle is bad, so we came here to, you know, fix it, but the guy is not here. He's not around. After that, I'll go to next. I have a list of things I want to buy, things I'll take to the hospital, like provisions, all those kind of things, and then pick up the kids, then go to the airport to pick my mom. My mom's flight was supposed to be by 2:50, but they moved it to 5:45, I think. So yeah.
Gina, come in.
Yes, enter this way. Enter this way. If you're this way.
Move your hand.
You came.
Yes.
Why your glasses?
Yeah.
Mom, did you bring drinks?
I bought drinks. I drank it. Yeah, and if you shake.
Yay!
How was school? That's fine.
Mom, we're going here.
What the time?
Mom,
Yes.
Miss Joe gets we're going to go outside and check who's the fastest runner
Really?
on Friday.
Oh,
And I bet it's me because I run fast than ever.
I know. Yeah.
I'll make a first aid box.
How are you?
You said you will make a first aid
How
box.
are you, son?
Fine.
Who said hi to me?
Good, hi, Dad.
But we'll carry the box.
I missed you.
I missed you, baby boy. Hey guys, so we just got back home. I know I look so tired, I look so stressed out, but we're about to head to the hospital to pay my remaining bill. I don't know if I told you guys, I think I didn't explain. I've actually paid for normal like delivery, but I didn't complete for the CS, so I'm going to do that now. Then when I get back home, I'll now arrange, because tomorrow will be somehow. Tomorrow I have to make my hair. I'm not making anything dish kind. I'm making something simple, like I'll remove the weaving, then I'll do another weaving, but it will be maybe with attachments. So yeah, I'm tired guys, like I look stressed, right? I'm tired. So yeah, let me just arrange for the kids, because I have to leave the house now. So let me arrange for the kids, everything they will do, you know, and I'll talk to you guys later. Sorry about the quality of the video you just watched. I actually forgot my camera at home, so I was using my phone to record, so sorry about it, please. All right, so bye. So I'm about to pack my things. It's already after. This is already 2:12. I'm so tired. Momsi is already in Abuja. Momsi is already in the house. I don't know if did I tell you guys that I was going to pick Momsi up at the airport. I can't remember, but Momsi is already in the house. So I'm about to pack my things to get ready for tomorrow. Yeah. I just put some few things on the bed. My own clothes. There's a box here, and I have to now put like baby things, everything together. So guys, over here, these are the other things I'm taking to the hospital. This is my confit pad, underlay. This is the hospital bag, guys. I bought this thing for 15k. Nothing like, there's nothing in so dish kind of inside that bag. This Ghana must get your center. Then that's water, Lucozade Boost, tissue. I'll take some of it, I'm not taking it all. Then proofs like milk, all those things. They're inside one of those nylons, I think. I also bought Nan 1 for the first stage, because you guys know milk will not really come out the first time, so I bought this. And then I just bought a few things. I have to sleep now, and yeah, prepare for tomorrow. I have to make my hair tomorrow morning, so I have to sleep because it's getting late, so I can wake up early. So I'm going to be ending this vlog here. I know it wasn't really anything that is dish, but you guys should manage. I just had to put out something for you guys to update you guys on what I'm doing right now. Okay, hope you enjoyed this vlog. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to show me love, you know, thumbs up, thumbs, everything. And I love you guys so much for watching. For those that reached out, you know, asking me how I am, Tolu Tope, I can't imagine other people's name, but I know I remember Tolu Tope. Thank you so much for reaching out to me. I'm fine. I'm just, you know, baby is coming soon, and you know, I'm just trying to get ready mentally, because I'm doing elective CS. Elective CS means I'm the one that chose to do CS, and somewhere in my heart is telling me, Deka, what did you do? You know, I don't know if it's the Nigerianness in me or it's just me. I was so sure I wanted to do it before, but now it's closed. I'm like, are you sure? You know, a bit worried about it, like what ifs and all that, but I know nothing will happen. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and the next time you see me, I'll be carrying my baby girl, and I love you guys so much. Good night.